Okay, we are back, part 2 of the Audi V8 service slash maintenance. What we're going to do now is change this PCV oil separator. It is in poor condition. So to do this, you're going to need a Torx T30, a flathead. On the part 1, where I just changed spark plugs and coil packs, little did I know, you had to take these out to take this off. So these coil packs that I just put in here, I have to take them right back out. No worry, because I'm doing it for YouTube. So let's go ahead and pull back on this again. Luckily, they're already broke, which I found out in part 1. Go look at that. So let's go ahead and get these out. They shouldn't be in there too tight because I just put them in. They're not. Sit these over here. Matter of fact, let's move these old ones out of the way. They're still here from part 1. Get these out of the way. These are 8 coil packs. Yeah. That one's a little snug. While I'm getting these out, it's 9 screws that hold this in here. Am I sure which 9 it is? Nope. But we're going to figure it out together. Alright. So I'm going to go with the obvious ones first. Screws a little rusty, huh? I'll have to replace those. I think they're all the same size. Just keep them separate till I make sure that they are. Alright, we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be one more somewhere. One more. Where are you? I think it's down here somewhere. Yeah, I think it's this one right here. And that's 9. So, to get this off, you had to push it in. You had to push this in and pull it out. Push it in and twist. I gotta start reading my instructions better. Kind of glazing over them, not really reading them. I gotta stop doing that. Okay. You know it came out the bottom down there. That would be nice to know. And you have to pull this side off. You can see any screws or anything holding it. Okay, get this hose off. Right here you have to squeeze these 2 points, kind of twist it off and rotate it. It's not easy, and you know, once you one thing you realize when you get older, your squeezing is not the same, but got it off. So we want to clean some of this excess oil off up here. And we're going to do an oil change too. That's going to be one of the next videos here. The oil change. I have the Liqui Moly engine flush. So it doesn't look gunky in there from what I'm seeing here, but it is. There's some oil there, so yeah. Weird part is I got 1,000 miles left before my oil change is due. And, I think it might have only been, since when I get this oil change, probably just 4,000 miles or so I put on here since I had the oil change. So it's looking awfully dark. Anywho, get that cleaned up. You want to come in with your new oil separator. Now, after I purchased this, I was reading about catch cans, and I'm starting to think I should put a catch can on here. And I see you can get them with this deleted. So that's the thought. If you know anything about that, let me know a good one. If you have an Allroad or a B8 or A4 B8, you got you a good catch can on there, let me know which one you got in the comments. That's one of my next things to look into. You know, there's so many out there, it's hard to tell which one you should get. But based on the oil that's in here, I'm sure it's probably getting to my turbo. So probably want to go ahead and look into that pretty soon. Alright, got it in place. Now, anytime you have a car part where you have a lot of screws to screw in, and this is for people who don't know how to work on cars. Little tip: put all your screws in and just, you know, tighten them down just a little bit. Because for one, you don't want to put one in, get it tight, and now your part is not lined up good. Just want to get them in there turn it a couple times, just to get it in there and lined up. Alright, tighten these up, make sure they're tight. Alright, that should be it. Looks like this not plugging in all the way. Yes, it is. This looks weird. Okay, that is it for that A4 Allroad. Well, this is not A4 Allroad, this is an Allroad, but the B8 platform Allroad 2013. So now we've done the coil packs, spark plugs, PCV oil separator. We're going to change the oil filter. We're going to do engine flush. That's going to be on the next video. We're going to do the engine flush, Liqui Moly Pro Series, Pro Line. engine flush. So yeah, that'll be the next video. But again, if you guys know or you have a catch can on your V8, son of a gun. Glad I looked at that. Y'all see what I did? Didn't put that back on there. Didn't bolt that back on there. If you got a catch can on your V8, let me know which one you got. Let me know how it's working out for you. You know how often you have to change it. I'm almost certain I'm gonna have to change mine. Let me know which one you got, how it's working out for you, how you have to change it. And I'm gonna look into getting one of those. But beside that, see the next video. Next video is gonna be oil change, possible engine flush, possibly gonna drain the antifreeze too. Again, most of this stuff is maintenance, you know, scheduled maintenance. But for me, I've had this car, like I said, a year, and I don't know how long it's been there. It wasn't in the service records. So my thing is, I just want to get fresh fluids in here, so I know it's good, I know it's right. But Hart Media, see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. It's a new channel, I'm working on it, you know, trying to do the best I can. I've seen a lot of DIY videos that help me fix my stuff or work on my cars. I figure, why not pay it forward and join the YouTube family? So here I am. So like, subscribe, keep checking in.